Have you ever wondered how the ocean stays so clean and healthy? Well, it is not just magic, it is because of some very special sea creatures who act like the ocean as cleaning crew. Today on Kidco TV, we are going to meet these amazing underwater helpers who work hard every day to keep their home tidy and safe. Let's start with the cleaner fish. These little fish love to nibble on the dead skin and parasites that stick to bigger fish. It may sound icky to us, but to them, it's a tasty treat. The cleaner fish set up little cleaning stations on coral reefs, and bigger fish like groupers and even sharks stop by for a scrub. It's like an underwater car wash. Next up, we have sea cucumbers. These slow-moving creatures may not look exciting, but they're super important. Sea cucumbers crawl along the ocean floor, eating tiny bits of dead plants and animals mixed in with the sand. They clean up the ocean bottom and make the sand healthier for other animals to live in. Isn't that cool? And what about crabs? Crabs are not only great at walking sideways, they're also excellent scavengers. That means they eat leftover food, dead animals, and even garbage that sinks to the bottom of the sea. Yum! Thanks to crabs, the ocean floor doesn't get messy with junk. Don't forget about the cleaner shrimp. These little guys wave their antennae to invite fish in for a cleaning. Just like the cleaner fish, they pick off parasites and bits of food from their fishy customers. It's like a spa day for the fish, and a yummy snack for the shrimp. Sea stars, or starfish, also help clean the ocean in their own way. They eat clams, mussels, and other animals that might take over parts of the reef if there are too many. By keeping the balance, sea stars make sure the reef stays healthy and full of life. And of course, there are the tiny but mighty plankton-eating creatures like sponges and certain types of jellyfish. They help filter the water by eating tiny bits of floating food and bacteria. They may be small, but they make a big difference. All these sea creatures are like the ocean's janitors, recyclers, and vacuum cleaners rolled into one. They don't wear uniforms or carry mops, but they work hard to keep the ocean clean every single day. So the next time you visit the beach or see a picture of the ocean, remember that under the waves there is a whole team of creatures helping to keep their home and ours clean and beautiful. And now that you know about them, maybe you can help too by keeping our beaches clean and using less plastic. Thanks for learning with us today on Kidco TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your ocean-loving friends. See you next time.
Did you have fun? Let us know in the comments. And to keep the adventures coming, share the smiles and subscribe for more Kidco TV fun.